Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to know if someone is active in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Snapchat app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. You can go to all your friends section right here. Click on my friends. Like so, it takes you right here. And the next thing you need to do for you to know if a friend is active online, what you need to do is to simply click on the friend ID. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply tap on their profile name. And you have it right there. You can see this particular friend here is very much active. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if someone is active in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.